So for today's video, we're going to downtown. We took a bus first, going to Subway and then Subway to downtown. And yung pamasahe niya guys is $3.30. Bumaba kami sa St. Andrews and then we bought coffee first before going out to the station. That time we thought it's gonna rain. But hindi siya umulan and it's very nice. Yung first na pupuntahan pala namin guys is yung Gooderham. It's only 10 minutes walk but since tamad kami so nag-streetcar kami. $3.30 pala guys, magagamit mo siya for 2 hours. So this time nasa Gooderham na kami. Picture lang kami and then after that we went to St. Lawrence Market. Kasi bibili kami ng pagkain, okay? So before leaving the house, the plan was bibili kami ng pagkain here sa St. Lawrence and then dadalhin namin sa Center Island which is the island of Toronto. Kasi guys, magpipiknik-piknik sana kami, okay? But since it's cloudy, and akala talaga namin is uulan. This is a Robo Cafe, so robot yung gumagawa ng kape mo. Going back, tapos na kaming bumili ng pagkain. So bumalik kami sa kung saan kami bumabas kanina sa may streetcar. Look at that guys, may squirrel na naman. And look, may bungay, lasagin. So nagpicture-picture lang kami here. And this time we decided na pumunta sa Union Station. Since nasa likod lang nun yung parang pier papunta ng Center Island. Parang ano lang siya guys, 5 to 10 minutes walk. Actually, nung papunta pa lang kami, sabi namin, titignan lang namin kung maraming tao. Kasi last time, nung pumunta kami dito, ang haba ng pila and then ang daming tao talaga, men. Since pagkadating namin, walang tao na nakapila para bumili ng ticket. We decided na pumunta na lang sa Center Island, so bumili na lang kami ng ticket. Pero pala sa ferry guys is like $9.11. Back and forth na siya, so it's not bad. Yung ferry and konti lang kami yung tao. Ito pala yung Center Island and it's like 10 minutes lang yung biyahe namin. This time paalis na us and look at that, man. Ang perfect lang talaga ng weather nung pumunta kami. It's not very sunny and hindi siya malamig. Akala ko talaga before kami umalis ng bahay malamig. Guys, patapos na dito yung summer. And minsan malamig na, so very unpredictable talaga dito yung weather. Finally, andito na kami. Alis pala lahat ng kasama namin sa Ferris Mekos-Mekos, guys. By the way, it's my first time to go here pala. I think mas maganda pag fall kasi mag-change na siya ng color. And sabi ko, babalik talaga ako dito kahit ako lang mag-isa. Hoy, si OA. Yung ferry pala guys is may schedule lang siya and yung last trip niya from here sa island going to Toronto is 11:30 p.m. So by the way, naglakad-lakad lang pala kami niyan guys. And pumunta kami sa pinakadulo. Pwede ka rin maligo dito but kailangan naka-duty yung lifeguard. Hindi yan yung tinutukoy ko na pwedeng liguan guys ha. Nasa dulo pa yan and hindi na ako nakapag-take ng video kasi pa-lowbat na ako niyan guys. So after like 30 minutes we decided na bumalik na. And look at that guys. Like a haunted island. This time guys, pabalik na us. Kasi kakain pa kami before umuwi. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.